In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download, install, and set up Steam on your PC or laptop, step by step. Before we start, here's why Steam is so useful. Steam is basically a huge game store and launcher where you can download both free and paid games and manage them all in one place. So, let's get it installed. First, open any web browser on your computer. That could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, any browser works. Now search for Steam on Google and open the official website, store.steampower.com. Make sure you're on the official Steam website before downloading anything. Now, before installing Steam, you'll need an account. At the top right, click Sign In, then choose Create an account. Enter your email, confirm it, choose your country, complete the security check, then press Continue. After that, just follow the account setup steps. Once your account is ready, go back to the top right and click Install Steam. Then click the big Install Steam button, and the Steam setup file will start downloading. Now here comes the important part. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder, find Steam Setup, and double-click it. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now press Next. Choose your language. Press Next again. You can choose where Steam installs, but most people can leave it as default. Then click Install. After installation, Steam will probably download updates automatically. That's completely normal. Just give it a minute to finish. Once Steam opens, sign in using your Steam account name, not your email. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple PC tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.